What's going on? So today we got a video from Body Cam Watch, and the title of the video is "She Trashed a McDonald's, Now She Faces the Consequences." So let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about.
10th, 2024, an officer pulled over a vehicle for failing to stop at several traffic signals flashing red.
Keep the windows rolled down for me, please. Howdy, y'all. My name's Detective Roland, Tallahassee Police Department. The reason I pulled you over today is you have to stop when a light is out at every light. I watched you blow through like 4 or 5 before I got behind you, okay? I'm not writing you a ticket today, but I can please see your license, registration, and proof of insurance. Do you have the driver's license number? Okay. What is your last name? Do you have any kind of photo ID on you? Okay. Is that your mom?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. We're going to have to wait just 1 minute before I can talk to mom, okay? Give me 1 minute, okay?
Your mom ain't getting you out of this.
7:43 me on 2.
They always want to call mom.
You're welcome to get out. Just do me a favor, just stand behind our vehicle if you want to, okay? Yeah.
Do you have David pulled up?
Yes, sir.
Can you pull it up so I can get her DL?
Do you have a first name?
Yeah, Tatyona.
Tatiana.
Yeah. There we go. 2 M's, I guess. 99 times 3.
Oh, that's it.
Do me a favor, I need you to step out of the car and talk to me back here because you don't have your license, okay? Just take a second.
What we need to talk about, sir?
All right, look, here's the deal. I want to do this in front of the kids. You've got warrants out for your arrest. You want to go into jail today.
Don't touch me, bro. Don't touch me. All right? I'm just going to get a cop. All right, cool. That's cool now.
We'll give you a chance, Tatiana. Come on.
All right. For real, don't touch me,
Hey,
bro.
no, you're good. At some point, we're going to have to because you're going to have to get handcuffed. But you got to come on out, okay?
Okay, they said she got a 1-out-4 arrest, and
Tatiana, step out of the car.
what she want to know what's the warrant for.
That's fine. We'll tell
I'll
her
explain to that in just a moment, but you got to get out of the car.
But you're not finna put me in no cup.
Tatiana.
But you do have to get out. I don't want to pull you out. I don't want to do any of that. But I need you to exit.
Okay, well, you
No, I don't want to do that.
You wait.
Man, you gonna act right, or we gonna get you to act right, man. That's what this came down to, man. Your mom can't save you out of this. This is why we got to call my mama shirts. Call my mommy, man. They always want to call their mommy, man. Make sure y'all go down there and go get y'all a shirt, man. But anyway, yeah. Come out peacefully. They don't want to, rile up the kids and all that stuff or whatever, but I can already tell this is going to go south real quick because of the way that she's acting. She's being real standoffish. She don't want to cooperate. You don't want to act right. They're going to get you to act right.
Her mama.
Well, let my
No.
daddy don't come up.
Oh, okay.
I have no problem explaining to that, but I do need y'all to step. I need you to step out.
Tatiana. You need to step out, or you're going to catch another charge, okay?
But she's got to come out of the car first. We're not. I don't want to have this discussion. Yep, I do. I can absolutely do that, but you're gonna be detained first.
She's got warrants.
Yep. Come on in.
Bro, don't touch, bro. Come on,
on
chill out, bro.
You need to come out.
All right, I'm coming.
Just guys, give it a second.
We're fighting. Hey, come on. Come out.
I'm not doing nothing, bro. Come on.
Let me see your hands. Put your hands up. Put your hands up.
They got out the car.
Y'all got me so
Put your hands up.
I gave you the opportunity. You didn't want to come out.
Y'all got me so right now. On my grandma, y'all got me so right now because
I told you I did not want to do that in front of the kids.
talked to a bitch ass.
Okay. All right. Go ahead and roll towards me.
All 3 of y'all big ass
10, 15.
motherfuckers. Y'all some big ass motherfuckers. What
10,
y'all
15.
pulling me out the car like that for?
All right, go ahead and stand up.
Y'all big as it only took one.
Come on over here.
Let me put my damn
Just
shoes.
that
Let me put my f***ing shoes on. Damn it.
Come back to the back of this car. Come on now. I didn't want to do that in front of all the kids.
Okay, with your big ass. It only took one. Well, why took three?
We gave the opportunity to step out and you didn't want to come out.
And you ain't want to talk either. You gonna tell me why you trying to detain me?
I told you, you have warrants out for your arrest.
I shouldn't.
Now that you're in cuffs, I can tell you have warrants out for possession of marijuana, disorderly conduct.
I don't. All that was dissolved. All that was good. And I ain't smoking mud. What you talking about? You lying. You lying.
Okay. Anything else you need to know about? Poke me, stick me, hurt me? You want to switch sides? Yeah. Anything else on you?
You stop talking to me.
Go ahead and put it in the car.
What you talking about? Stop talking to me.
All units stand by for general announcement. All units be advised southeast and southwest will be passing the remainder. Southeast and southwest will
I'll
be
talk to
passing
you.
the remainder.
Can you stay with BT bills real quick? Yeah. Those came out of our pocket. Right on. Yeah. Howdy, y'all. Okay, now I will be willing to talk to you. It's okay.
Cause I don't really know. I don't want to talk, fam. You just look like you was gonna shoot me, you feel what I'm saying?
Now, because
I don't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that, bro. That's my sister, bro. That's
okay.
female. I don't care, bro.
Well, I gave her the opportunity to step out.
Everybody raised different, bro. Everybody raised different. Y'all
and I gave her the opportunity. I gave her the opportunity to not do this in front of the kids. Okay, you're free to go. Have a good one.
Your big ass. Your wife know you doing girls, females like this? Big ass motherfucker. Too big to be doing all that.
78636, repeating 786.
Then you got hit on the face. Did I really? Where? Oh, no, that was cut from earlier. Oh, that was fun. Okay. Yeah, I've been taking.
Come on.
Yeah, I'm thinking it's ibuprofen 800 and 200 right there.
Okay.
Hate y'all motherfucker.
No.
If you start that, I'm gonna tie your feet. You better knock it off.
You, I hate y'all motherfucker. You.
I'll tell you what, I don't need her anymore. Can we just get her off to LCJ?
Yeah.
I'll follow you.
Yeah.
No.
Damn, no accountability. You hate them, but it pops up in the computer that you have warrants for X, Y, and Z. Just like the guy in the car. Oh, I don't want to talk to y'all. It looked like he was gonna shoot me. Really? Out of that, that's what you got out of that. Your sister not listening to the commands, not stepping out of the car, prolonging the situation. Out of all of that, you don't say, "Yeah, my bad. My sister should have just got out. My bad." You know, I apologize for her actions. You know, but you know, it's just a hostile situation or whatever, or something along those lines, right? Instead of saying that, you say, "Nah, y'all ain't do that. Y'all ain't had to do that. Whatever, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, it looked like that guy was going to shoot me." Come on, bruh.
We'll start cleaning this mess up. Excuse me.
Let's go.
This is what it is. I'm going to be transporting the 1015.
Can you copy a starting mileage?
I see all y'all in court. I need all y'all names. My mama don't get up there. Make sure I get your name. I want your name and the mother fat ass bitches. I want all their names. It only took one of y'all to get me out the car. One, not three. I hope y'all cam badges, and I hope y'all cam badges was on. I hope all them cameras was on.
They're on.
Oh, wait, hold on.
YouTube.
This one might be Oxy.
What's up?
This one might be Oxy because look, it's IP 204. Yeah, it's showing it.
Is it Oxy?
Yeah.
Okay, it came right out of her right pocket.
Y'all couldn't even tell me what I was getting out the car for. We don't trust y'all. Y'all killers. We don't trust y'all.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. I'll do that once I get it.
Supposed to protect and serve. Y'all don't protect shit but your ass and each other.
No.
Hey, ma'am.
Hi.
Look, I'm sorry that all had to happen, but
Okay.
I told her I did not want to do that in front of the kids.
Yeah.
She had warrants out for arrest. She has to go to jail.
Okay.
That's the bottom line, okay?
Okay.
I gave her plenty of opportunity to step out. She didn't want to. It's dangerous for anybody to be arguing while she's in control of that car.
Cause you got a gun on you. You got a taser. A baton. All that make you tough, huh? That make you so tough. You could take all that off. You feel like you got down, you got to save them up. Cause you got all that shit on? Take it off. Go in the hood and take it off. Dirty cops. Dirty cops. Dirty, dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. They dirty. Now one of y'all better not say shit to me when I get in that bitch either. Now one of y'all. Bet I won't die.
Gosh, no accountability. None. None whatsoever. Not one time when you saying, yeah, my bad. I should have got out when you told me to get out. My bad. I apologize. I shouldn't have acted like that because now my kids had to see the situation go down like that. Nothing. It's just everybody else's fault. Everything is everyone else's fault besides your own. It ain't the cop's fault that you got warrants.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.